Threading a Fleetwood. This is a Japanese class 15 machine. It's marked model number 656B here. It's a really charming machine. Delightful control panel here. Zigzag control with stop locks that you can turn to hold it on the width setting. An automatic buttonhole feature here. Nice chunky reverse. And a delightful length dial. And a big knob here to adjust the presser foot, or the feed dogs, up and down for different sewing So it's got fold up and down thread pins on top. The thread comes into this first guide, goes around the tensioner, and then has to come back under the take-up spring on the tensioner. It goes under a hook here, through this wide thread guide on the front of the machine, and then through the take-up arm, and then it goes back through this wide thread guide, and then there's a spiral thread guide here, and another spiral thread guide on the side of the needle bar, and then this machine threads from the outside in. There we go. Okay, to wind a bobbin on the Fleetwood, this is a pretty common style push button bobbin winder. So it's got, this one does not have a key on the drive shaft, so you can put any class 15 bobbin on there. It does have a bobbin winding position down here, so this thread pin, or spool pin down here, and then the thread comes off of the bobbin winding location under this button, and then you wrap the thread around your bobbin, push the button to engage it, and it pops up when it's full.